How do you actually know which language model best fits your needs? That's where LMArena comes in. Today, in this video, we're gonna talk about the Language Model Arena, the ultimate platform for benchmarking AI models. And this video is specifically made for web development purposes, so there's a part of the benchmarking platform that is web.lmarena.ai. So let's go to the screen to see it in action. Okay, here's the web part of the LMArena.ai, as I mentioned, and here I'm right now on the leaderboard. Before we start with the testing and doing some battles, let's see the leaderboard first. So, Web Dev Arena is actually a real-time AI coding competition here, where models go head-to-head in web development challenges. So we can see the list here of the most popular AI models. And we can also see the ranking. They're sorted by ranking here. And so we can see at the first place that we have a Gemini 2.5 Pro and also the second Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And these are scores and rankings here. And we can see here like organization and license and everything. So this is the part with the ranking. And also we have statistics for the Web Arena and competitions between the language models and how they perform actually. So you can check this if you like to check the charts and graphs. Okay, another part here is interesting for us as developers is here, the battle. So we're gonna ask something, language models for something to make something for us, and then we are going to decide is this correct or which one is better for us, and they are ranking by that. And the most interesting part is that we don't know which language model is doing what until we choose which side is better. So that's fair. Okay, if we have no idea, like I don't have at the moment, or we can pick any of these suggestions here. So let's see what is right. Okay, we're gonna see the smart home dashboard. This looks interesting. Okay, I'm asking to create a smart home dashboard for us, and then we're gonna see both sides here doing some job, actually doing the prompt that we actually asked them to do. So let's see when it finishes which one is better for us. And also the interesting thing here is that for the web development here, they actually provide a UI page where you can actually see it completed. It's not just that you see the code, but you actually see the whole project like on the web that you would have to, that you would develop actually. Okay. Okay, before we go to the, okay, here's the smart home dashboard on the right side that we have. So it's monitor, home control, smart system on. We can click lights, turn off, turn on. Okay, that's nice. We can see when it's on, it's yellow, and we turn it off, it's gray. Okay, thermostat, the temperature setting. Also security system to arm or disarm, and energy usage this month. Okay, that's fine. And in the code, we can see that this is a React code, and we have a default function. Okay, this is the default component. Okay, smart home. Okay, they're using the tailwind here. Grid each. Okay, we can see the const lights on, lights off. Okay, use state. We can see the main here part of the application web and the code for it. Okay, the cards, it's fine. And now let's see on the left side. We also have a React component, use state, okay, head, next head. This looks like a next project, and we see the types of devices. We have mock data here, like in comments. Okay, we're gonna have helper and components. This code is more readable because we have these comments that they're splitting and showing us actually which part is doing what. Even we can get that from the code, but this is easier to go through. Okay, and toggle switch control, icon wrappers. Okay, let's first finish with this. Okay, let's go back to the icon wrappers, generics, dashboard specific components. So dashboard header, scene button. interface. So this left side looks more robust when compared to the right side, where we have just a few buttons here and the small component here. So, and this is the logic for it. Okay, let's go to the block to actually see it in action, if we actually can. Yeah, this looks nice. This is nice. Okay, we already know which one is better on the first look. So the left side was like a really useful thing here. And we can see the active home, okay, leave home, good night, movie time. We can see the graph here, energy usage. Okay, yeah, this is nice. We have this slider here, thermostat. Okay, turn on, off, TV off, on. Okay, lamps. I like this slider here. This is conditionally rendered here. Kitchen, front door, ceiling fan, and the speeds. Yeah, we have speeds of the fan here. That's nice. Okay, in my opinion, the left side looks better. Like on UI, it looks better. And also, when compared to the code, we have more code here, but it was split in the components here, specific components and specific parts of it. As we can see here, it has card wrappers, okay, switch control, icon wrappers, dashboard specific components, like I mentioned. So we have a header, dashboard, header. We have a device control card. Okay. We have energy chart here with the data, main page, component, and so on and so on. So this is the part where we decide which one is better here. So I'm gonna vote for the left one, and then it is going to reveal which language model was that. So left is better. And now we can see the winner is Drake's-Claw. So I haven't used this one. And on the right side, we have a GPT 4.1 mini. So this is the winner for us. And I'll have to check how to use this language model at all, because I really like this. Result here, what we actually get. Yeah, this looks nice. So it is almost ready for use. And it looks better than most of the current applications that we have for smart homes. So as I'm using some of them. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope the video was interesting for you. And if you found it interesting and useful, please like, share, or subscribe. And don't miss any updates from me. See you in the next one. Bye.